Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome to Slime Rancher episode 2. We're in the loading screen, watching B get absolutely demolished by a red slime. Okay, so plan for today. I have no plan. Last episode was a lot. We did all of this. They're running out of food, but that's a hecking load of plots. That's great. That's awesome. He's panicking. I love them. They're so cute. Okay, okay. Let me go put plorts away. Oh, sweet. Money. This is good. Oh, I collected a plort. A little slime friend. 7? Good, we've got 8. I don't know where the other 2 went. The other 2 probably like yeeted on that evening from last episode. Let's grab fruit so that we can feed our lovely cutie little slimy boys. I love them so much. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we get a bunch of carrots. Let's see if the heartbeats are done. Look at their little friends. Okay. That's so cute. Okay, heartbeats are not done yet. But... I love their little sounds. It's so cute. Okay, so we're done with that. Look at our little Rocky boys! That's so cute. I don't know what the difference is, but it's a thing. Can I trick shot? Sick, I can. That's cool. Okay. Ooh, we need to check on our big boys. On our like really expensive plort boys. What are they? Crystal slimes? Yes. Let me check out our dangerous crystal slimes. Hello. Are you guys okay? Are you sane? That's a lot of plorts. It's like 800 from that? 840? Oh boy, hi. I'm scared of you. They're scary, okay? I don't want to like cram them full, because that's not safe for my mental health. Money! Oh, 45! That went down so much! Okay, time to get more slimes. Look at our little friends. Okay, I want phosphor slimes. And to do that, we need a corral with an air net. Can we get double walls? Can we? No, we can't get double walls. But you can make sure they don't escape. So I'm gonna go grab... I want to stay up first. And then we'll figure this out. Guys, you're so mischievous. And then we're gonna go out exploring and look for a bunch of stuff. Did you escape? No. Good. Gimme. Thank you. Got a bunch of plorts. Meaning we can shove them in here. Cute berries. It's a heart, boys. Cool. Omnivorous. Awesome. Oi! No, okay. We're good. Oh, that was consumed very quickly. Let's go chuck these in the thing. Heartbeats. And now I want to collect some of these. Stony hand. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. I didn't even read that. That took me by so much surprise. How do I make an incinerator? Hold on. They're so cute. I want to put it in like the darkest depths. Oh, there's so much more space here? What? Oh, that sucks. Why are there borders? Oh, this is a place. Ooh. Whoa. I want to get over there. This is cool. What? Nice. I don't know what that is yet, but we'll see. So we'll put the incinerator over here and possibly move it when we need to. 450. Crap. Did we read this thing by H? Oop. Hello, Beatrix. The name's Hobson Twilgers. Jeez. The name's Hobson Twilgers, rancher explorer and former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember and felt there was one last adventure left in me. So I have set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around here, around this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for notes like these if you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. Be talking to ya, H. Thanks, mate. Look at all the boys! That's great. Hi, friend. Yoink. Oh. Whoa. Okay, so that happened. Interesting. They just turned to dust. That's weird. Hello. Yoink. I'm gonna take you guys for now. What do you eat? Veggie. Okay. 6. They look so cute. I love their little faces. They're so adorable. Hey, come here. Ouch. Hello! That was cute. Yoink. Oh, hello. Yoink. Let me put these guys into the dark one. Cutie, I love it so much. How are you guys feeling? Oh, they're cute, but they're not too happy. Let me grab veggies. Cool. Okay, let's put this phosphor slime in here because you are very cute. You know what, actually? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. Because death is always an option. Yep. Oh shit. Come here. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. And I know you chucked a little mini rock slime somewhere. Oh, jeez. It's so crammed. And I have these two? Yeah, I see you. And you. Okay, good. They're fine. This little guy is actually so adorable. Are you okay? Yeah, he's fine. Then what was I gonna do? I have 700. Let me collect some of the stuff. Okay, let me go get... Oh, great. Heartbeats. Such a cute sound. Hi, friends. Mixed crops always yield maximum harvest. Hell yes, please. This is great. So we got veggies. We got fruits. Great. Now I need an incinerator. Oh, you know what I'm going to do with these guys? Look at them go! I know they'll respawn somewhere else. Okay. I swear there were 83 before the slime plorts. Actually, let's go and do this thing. Oh, whoa, cool! Victor Humphreys, if possible, please acquire the following for a future study. Many thanks. 6. Oh, that was dumb of me. Okay, easy enough. Okay. Easy enough, yeah. How many? How many? How many? 4, 6, 5. Okay, 4 of those. 4 of the mean ones, 5 of those ones, and 6 of the pink slimes. Cool. I'm not going to use my own pink slimes because that'd be very mean. Oh, look at them. That's great. That's fantastic. Oh, they're crystal slimes. Oh no. That's so mean. Dang it. Okay, where the heck did I get crystal slimes from? Let's go see. Those are some decent prices, plus some money is gonna be really helpful. Are they blushing? Are you blushing? But wow, there's a lot of plots. That's awesome. That's so good. Hello. Oh, puddle slime, keep. So cute. Cute. Oh. Heartbeat. Ah ha ha. Puddle boys! Ah, they're so cute. I love them so much. Oh, I want you. Gimme. I love the phosphor slimes. They're so cute. Cool. Out of time? 13 minutes. Sweet. Ha ha ha. Yo, guys, that's not nice. Oh no 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 no. Oh boy. Great. Great. Okay. Okay, good. I realized the absolute awfulness that would have been. The lag, jeez. Let me get this too. Boop. And I could get it 3 times. Do you grow faster when I do that? Twice as fast. Actually, that's fantastic. I don't really care about the scaring slimes away part, because that should be basically all I need. Now I just need to collect a bunch of plorts from these. And Nutri soil. Epic. They're so cute. Okay. So we've got a bunch of money. Upgrade these. Don't really need heart. Great for keeping chickens in and hungry slimes out. Fair enough. Vitamizer. How much is that much? Okay, that should be fine. I'm cruel. How does this work? Huh. Okay, it's kind of cool looking. So many plots. What? This is great. Wow. Cuties. Wow. They're so cute. You're so cute. I love them. Sorry. I love them. We need... Let's go. High walls. Lord Collector. Auto feeder. Sweet. Let me make this one the non-agitated one. That. What'd I get? Internet? Oh, that was useful. Good. So, let's see how much it'll cost for high walls. Good stuff. And let me collect my friends here. There we go. And I'm gonna go get some of the other boys, the other ones, those ones, the boomy boys. Boom slimes. Oh! Lucky! Can I take you? I want to have you. You're my icon. Oh. My plan here is to make rad booms. Boom. Hi, boom. Hi, boys. Ouch. Is that a red boom? There's a red boom! Oh boy, what the hell is this? Hey, where'd he go? There you are. That's great. Ha! Very nice. Oh boy. Well, that's something. Oh. How much time do you have left? A minute? And you guys? Epic. Thank you. Mochi? Mochi? That's the name of my cat, guys. Mochi Miles. Okay. You're heckin' rowdy. Boom. Boom. How much would it cost? Oh, just 100. That's not bad. Then you need to spend all of that money getting all of that, like all of those upgrades back, so. Fair enough. Aha! That's pretty damn lovely. Tasty. What? Feed 50 slimes on the ranch their favorite food. Oh! Nice. Yeah, take that. Gold slime. Get richer. Die sliming. That's so cute. I'm so glad I figured out how to do this. So now I have a gold plort. That's nice. It's good just having, you know, random plorts. I'm so glad I got that. That's just 500 instantly. Hold on, that's great. What I need to do Oh, I have mail. I have so much mail. I've just been staying up so late. So much. Machi Miles. Well, well, it seems like another wannabe ranchers. Oh, they're mean. Wannabe ranchers signed up for a lonely existence on a faraway space rock. Congrats, Beatrix. I'm Machi Miles. That's Miles, as in Tatsuya Miles, the billionaire. I'm here to do an important business, for my dad, but that doesn't mean I won't make it. All the rest of these backwater types out here look bad in the process. No one conquers the Florida market like I do, day in, day out. My dad gives me the inside track. Okay, so look forward to my requesting florts. That I know will make me huge profits later on. So I wish you the best of luck, Beatrix. Maybe you'll even reach second place. And at the very least, you can tell your friends that you helped out the great Machi Miles in her conquest of the far, far range. Later, tater, Machi Miles, top rancher. You're a bitch. I was so excited. I was so excited. Okay. Arjun Ortiz. Ortiz. Yes. Hiya, Beatrix. The name's Arjun Ortiz. Sorry. Ortiz. I'm a slime rancher much like yourself, but I mostly fancy myself a farmer. I came to the far, far range to grow fruits and veggies the way we used to back on Earth, by getting down to the soil and getting our hands dirty. Did you know that carrots improve your night vision? Yeah, seriously, they do. I don't see why old ranchers aren't just gobbling them down every chance they get. Being lost out on the range at night can be so dangerous. Well, don't let me ramble on you here. We'll be in touch via the range exchange. I tend to only raise slimes that eat fruits and veggies, so expect those kinds of requests from me. Looking forward to doing business with ya. Oh. P.S. Ever hear of gilded ginger? What? It's a magical veggie that is said to be the favorite food of the equally mythical gold slime. But some say that neither of them actually exist. Bitch, I actually found one today! Sweet, okay. Sleep until morning. Oof, it's gonna be a lot of stuff to do. Why did I just get into Machi's voice? That's fun. Ooh, food! Great. Veggies. Meow! That was cute. I'm happy I did that. Look at them! Yes! Awesome! Oh guys, I'm so happy. So many fruits, so many veggies. This is so awesome. Bloom? Yes! Great. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ah, shit. What happens when my radiation's at 100? Oh, then my health starts going down, right? Yeah, a lot. Okay, and gotta sell these. Those are my carrots. $37? Jeez. Okay. Okay, let me go grab my kitty plort stuff. Hungry? Why are you hungry? Hello, friends. Boop. 6. Jeez, that went lower. Jeez, already 10? What the heck? Oh, at least it's a nice amount of money. Oh. Okay. Roostro? Where did the roostro go? Yeesh. No. Oh, there he is. It's just old. That's fun. It's a good amount of money. Okay, so should be good. These guys are all hungry, I just realized. And so are all of these. Okay. Didn't fill up their food yesterday, so I'm gonna do that now. Veggies and fruits, yes. Yes. Just filled all of that up, so I'll do... I suppose 20... Okay. I know that these guys like their carrots. Did I do auto feed on these? Yes. Fruit. There we go. Can't exactly do that for these guys. But I will try my best. Great. They're all looking lovely. Oh boy, hold on a second. Okay, so we'll get these and then we'll sell all of this. And the episode should be over because I don't have very much else to do, to be honest. Yoink. Let's see how much money we get. And then tomorrow, we can, or in the next episode, we can do a whole bunch of other stuff, which is going to be a lot of fun. And by other stuff, I mean upgrades, expansions, more slimes potentially. But yeah, we'll see. Jeez, these prices are bad. They used to be so good. Okay. Haha. Okay, cool. So, that should be it for today. Let me see if there's anything, any star mail. Nope. Cool. Right. I hope every single one of you had a lovely, wonderful, and amazing day. Well, morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world, and I shall see you all in the next episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please consider subscribing, and I shall see you next time, I hope. Have a lovely time, Goodbye. I love you all.